I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats.
In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make terrific duck fat potatoes in an uni pizza oven. Start by peeling some Yukon Gold potatoes and then cutting them into 1-inch pieces. Place those potato pieces in a pot. Add a tablespoon of kosher salt, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and then cover the potatoes with about 2 inches of water. Bring it all to a boil and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Drain the potatoes and then put them back in the pot. And now the important part, you need to shake them vigorously, and I mean vigorously. This is what's going to give the potatoes a nice crunchy coating. Next, add some duck fat to your hot cast iron skillet and then add the potatoes in a single layer. I've preheated the uni pizza oven to about 600 degrees, and in they go. Turn the pan every couple of minutes until they're golden browned evenly across the top. And then use a spatula to turn them over because they're going to be really crusty on the bottom. Season the potatoes with some salt, pepper, and fresh chopped rosemary, and they're ready to serve. And that's how easy it is to make terrific duck fat potatoes inside your uni pizza oven. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know, and please subscribe. I'll see you next time on Austin Eats.